Hi, dear all. I Rakesh Jain, working as an assistant professor in Electronics and Communication branch at Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies, Dabok, Udaipur, want to present you my new project, that is Micrologics 1200 PLC based square wave curtain fountain. Let's see the components. The required components are 24 volt SMPS, terminal connectors, high duty switches, one for the to start, one for to stop, that is PLC Micrologics 1200 Allen Bradley PLC. These are 9 relays that are of 24 volts, in which 8 relays are used to control the 16 solenoid valves and one is for the pump motor. Here we require 16 solenoid valves. They are arranged in a manner that 4 solenoid valves are at one side, 4 at the different side, then at the third side there are 4 solenoid valves, and at last side there is 4 solenoid valves. So these are like a square wave. So each side contains 4 solenoid valves. So we require this kind of circuitry and assembly from the wood and iron so that it seems to be very good, right? We designed this one. It is actually a pattern based curtain fountain, in which on the basis of a particular pattern, one time 4 solenoid valve will be active, then 2 solenoid valve will be active, the remaining 2 will be stopped. Similarly at second side, third side and fourth side. So whenever it will start, it will look very fantastic. It seems to be like a very fantastic view for us. So let's start the working. So I just we have to fill up this tank. This will behave as this iron rod will behave as a tank. Now I am going to start. So see, once I start the button, automatically the water will be started, and now see the tripping sound of these relays. And the water curtain fountain. See here, see for the example this one. Now the water is not pour out from this solenoid valve, and now the water is pour out from this solenoid valve. Now the water again stop. Now the water again start. So this one, yes. So this one is the working of this pattern based square wave curtain fountain. This pattern is actually generated from the programming which we did on PLC programming. Yes. So a very good sound is also appear in front of us, and see on the PLC. Whatever the solenoid valve which are connected to the relay, they are working. Similarly, the light will be glow and stop. So now with the help of this button, this will be stop. This will be stop. Okay. So now see once again from all sides. This is a square wave curtain fountain. So that is a very good project, square wave curtain fountain. We will use it at restaurant, hotels, for decoration purpose at our home also. So I hope you like this project. Thank you.